So I've made this type of video before, how to upgrade your LEGO Mandalorians. But since then, Mandalorian Season 3 came out, and they've added a lot of cool stuff to the Mandalorian story. With a new episode coming out tomorrow, I thought, why not make a How to Upgrade Your Mandalorians, I think, Part 2. So today, we're upgrading Bo-Katan, and of course, the Mandalorian. We're going to start with Bo-Katan, and before I get started, please like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And without further ado, let's get started. So in figuring out how to make this figure, I had a lot of trouble because the LEGO version of Bo-Katan is really accurate, and it's really hard to change stuff to make it look like inaccurate, but this is just a quick thing I came up with. So what you're going to want to do is take off the helmet and the head, take off the jetpack, and just leave the figure like this, but take the arms off. Just like that. Add some blue arms with black hands, add that on, just like that. So it looks like this. And then grab this old jetpack thing, I think it was in the 2014 Rebel Battle Pack for Battlefront. I think so. I might have the year wrong, but add that on. Add this little piece here, add that onto the back, and then add whatever you want to the back. I'm just going to use this this little circle piece, but you can use a tile or anything that you think would look best there. Add that on, and then add the head back on, and then add the helmet back on. Take off the antenna. And then, this is optional, but I think a blue antenna looks really good on the figure, but you can keep the gray one. Preferably a black one too, a black one's more accurate. But there you go. There's the first figure complete. I really like how it turned out. I think the blue arms make it look a lot more accurate. And then this jetpack design also looks really cool. So yeah, let's go to the next figure. So these are the pieces you're going to need for the last figure. So, once again, take the head off from the helmet, just like that. Grab, once again, another jetpack piece, add that onto the back. Put any piece you want here. I just have a stud, but you can put anything you want back there. And then grab this little clip piece and add it on right there. Put the helmet back on. And that's about it for the upgrade. Once again, it's really hard to upgrade a figure that LEGO's made really well. If you want, you can put a cape on him, but this jetpack would make the cape look pretty wonky, but I'm sure you could figure it out. And then you can give him his darksaber, black little piece here with a lightsaber hilt. Add that on, and then you got the darksaber. And then you can add any pistol you want to this guy, but I think this Wild West revolver works the best. You just do it like that. And there you go. There's the figure complete. And now you're probably wondering, what's this clip for? This clip is to hold his spear. I currently don't have a LEGO spear, or I couldn't find one, so I just made this little makeshift spear. It works fine, but I'm probably going to try to find a LEGO one. And you can attach that on, and there you go. There is the Mandalorian complete. And then, of course, you have to add Baby Yoda because it's necessary. So, yep, that's the last figure. So let's go to the outro. So those are the two figures complete. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It helps me grow my audience. Comment down below if you're excited for the rest of Season 3. I know I'm kind of a little late, but better late than never. Am I right? Bleh. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Please have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.